Okay, so this is the long section, the 50-foot section of the coax we got from RF Parts. And okay, let's do that again. So very easily it slides. I don't really need to use, I can do it with one hand. Don't need to use a lot of force. It slides all the way up to here, and there's a shorter section that we tried. So this is about 6-foot section, and that thing also slides even more easy than the other one. Now this is the cable that we got from a different supplier. Let's show this end. And there is no way, even with two hands, it's not sliding a bit at all. Not sliding at all.
Pay attention to the dielectric, how it moves along with the outer shielding when it's twisted. Whereas the other cable, the outer shielding and the dielectric move completely independently of each other. So, yes, this is the problem we're running into.